Local news for Friday the 22nd of February. 21 days after notice was given, the South Wairarapa District Council has yesterday lifted its boil water notice. 3 days of testing has seen Martinborough's water finally given the all clear, with South Wairarapa Mayor Viv Napier saying, "We're very relieved to be able to share this news. We understand the inconvenience the boil water notice has caused people, and we've worked as quickly as we could to get it lifted." Due to the lack of rainfall and the current low water levels of the Wainawa and Magatarere rivers, water restrictions have been imposed on the use of the Taratahi and Carrington water races. And two small earthquakes in quick succession struck Martinborough on Wednesday morning. The 2.9 and 3.3 was struck just after 1 a.m, 10 kilometres north of the town. And the Masterton District Council are proposing to adjust the parking time limits on Queen Street between Worksop Road and Harlequin Street. Some of the parking 30s may become 120 minutes, with feedback also being sought on the parking time limits for the departmental building car park, whether this car park is meeting the community needs. And in sport, just the one Giants team at home this week for the softball. The Presidents playing at 3:15. The major reserve men are away to PCU and the women away to Stokes Valley.